That is the smell of bad gas.
Oh yeah. That's it.
My other wife was here then, apparently, since you don't remember the 5th of Tequila-vember. Hey, low patience. Forget low battery, low patience. My low patience light's turning off. Just how I planned it. Okay? Okay! Paw Patrol. Oh, you know what? That's coming out anyways. Forget that.
So you have to empty all the gas?
No. You can drink it too.
Well, you would probably have to do that anyway, right? Because it's been sitting?
Nah.
Not really. Not really.
Put some additive in it and send it. That's what the kids say nowadays.
Send it.
Send it.
Tag it.
Looks good, tack it. 1/4-inch gap, the welder can fill that in. No problem. You smell that smell?
No.
Okay, well then I can't explain it to you. But for the viewers who can smell it, that is the smell of bad gas.
What does it smell like?
It smells like paint thinner, strippers. It smells like strippers. Dirty, it smells dirty.
Stank.
It's got a stank to it. Doesn't smell like your everyday. There's gonna be people in the comments. My wife's a stripper. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you just got an email that said external account added to your Rally account.
I don't have a Rally account. That's called a phishing scam. Plus, I ignore all emails anyways.
You got anything to say, Teddy?
I ignore all emails.
Teddy, car. What are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm taking these screws out while talking with my wife about strippers. Oh, were you gonna edit that part out?
Probably not.
Okay, so she's not sure if she was gonna edit the stripper part out, but I'm loosening this filler neck, and I'll show you why. For those of you who are so inexperienced that you don't already know why I'm doing this, leave my channel. Don't come back.
Yes.
Where are you at? Worst cameraman ever. Okay. Spin, wiggle and pull. And it's out, and look, undamaged, completely undamaged by me. This clearly was already like that. So 20 grand for this. Gotta order this. Gotta get 20 grand. You smell that? You smell this paint thinner now? Yeah, does it not smell like paint thinner? Yeah. It's bad. It has turned.
It's
It's off. Hey, don't, dude. Gordon Ramsay's gonna sue us. Wait, is that Gordon Ramsay?
Yeah.
Okay, now all we gotta do, chitlins. I think this thing's loose already. See how loose it was? Me either. You don't have to record that anymore. In fact, a camera can ignite gas fumes. Tune in some other time when I get another Chevy or most likely 5.7 Hemi with an exhaust leak, and I'll show you how to extract these little broken BASTAAHs with ease. Alright, someone come pick all those up.
Start the car.
Are we getting this thing started? Yes.
Okay.
Start the car.
Aziz doesn't even do that kind of stuff.
Why? Why does he have this out? Who actually uses a spare tire gel? I know I just used one yesterday. Alright, I guess I lost my own argument to myself. Okay, next. This is a wiring harness. This is the fuel pump relay right here. So if you own a Dodge Viper, check this relay first. You can jumper the two big ones. The two big ones. That one and that one. These two. Wait, is it this one and this one? I'm pretty sure it's this one and this one you can jumper. So if you have a test light, just see which one's hot. It's gonna be the opposite. I think this is the hot one and this is the one that becomes hot. So you can just jumper these and see if the fuel pump turns on. If it doesn't, you either have a bad fuel pump or a bad connection somewhere else. Now we're gonna quickly drill out all these rivets while we play some of my favorite music. Okay, so we got all these little, these are all sticking out. They're protruding, they're not flush like the other ones. So we're gonna have to do something about that. Talking about the Mandrake drills.
Rivets. Okay.
They're sticking out, so I do have to punch those in, otherwise I'll be here for 20 years trying to drill these out.
Okay. Well, this is what a race car looks like. Hey, there's a rear view mirror in there.
You don't need it in the bike because there's never anyone behind you.
Oh.
They're so far behind you, you can't see, so they actually put a telescope back there. So you can use one like this, but you should definitely use a pointed one. But my pointed one is very severely smashed from doing things that I guess it didn't like. I think I was punching out some cold rivets on a Dodge Ram. We'll link that video as well. Out of the ball joints. What a pain.
The worst ball joints ever video?
The worst ball joints ever.
Ooh.
That is too loud. Even for me who's deaf. Exactly, because they had it in a dirt lot.
Yes.
No. No. I quit. I'm just gonna use a hammer. A hammer with no type of punch whatsoever. As long as we get them flush or a little bit lower. Dude, look at this sporty spare tire. This thing is cool.
I was talking about that.
Look at that, dude. Looks like it belongs on a Model A. We will find out where you go later. Wow, this is a really light jack. We'll repaint that black flying wheel style. Tape off the stickers. If anyone knows a better way, please share with me in the comments so I can do that on my next Viper that I have to do a fuel pump on. This is fiberglass. Like you put steel rivets into fiberglass. Not even aluminum rivets.
What works better?
Not using rivets.
What would you use?
Well, it's a removable panel, so I would just use plastic push pins, zip ties, sheet metal screws.
Did they do it because it's easiest at the factory, or is there a safety reason because it's a race car?
I don't know.
You gotta ask those questions.
No, I don't.
You have to figure out the why and then use the fasteners that you
Oh, okay, because I do this for a living. I see stupid engineering every single
That's
day of
what
my
I'm
life.
asking.
And
Is
most
it-
of the time I go, why do they do
Sometimes
that? And then never comes to me. Because
Sometimes
there's
it's bad
no
design.
smart reason to do it.
This is the first generation, so it's gonna have the most bugs, just like a first generation iPhone, Xbox. Sometimes,
The first generation Xbox was awesome.
I was about to say, sometimes the first generation is the best or better.
Xbox was the best.
Is it like glued?
Mind your own business. Nosy, make a nose or something. You know what would be great? Paint scraper. You just shove it in behind here.
You have a paint scraper. I found one.
There's most certainly. These rivets weren't needed.
I wonder, yeah. I wonder what we can title this. What if it's like a fire barrier?
F you, Carol Shelby.
What if it's like a fire barrier? Carol Shelby.
Cheryl.
Cheryl Shelby.
F you, Cheryl Shelby.
Carol.
He's already got it bad enough. You're not making it worse.
Yeah, that kind of seems like a heat shield to me.
Fuel tank doesn't get hot. No, it's made of plastic. Fiberglass is a horrible heat shield because it's made of flammable resin.
Fiberglass. Molly Petty.
It's not moving.
Teddy's real garage.
That's why I told you I need a paint scraper. Not a buddy.
Freedom!
Not yet.
Oh yeah. That's it. That's the sound. Sound of freedom. Watch your clips. I think one just broke.
I got more of those clips.
Oh good.
Careless.
Good.
Have a lot of panels that just go, probably got Velcro on them. Because they like to put things together quickly.
Why don't you ask Hennessy?
Dear Hennessy,
Dear Hennessy, I love your videos.
I've never seen any of your videos. I've seen one of your videos. I love what you did to the third generation dog Viper.
For Christmas, I would like one. Mom says I can't have one. That's why I'm mailing you directly.
My dad knows Santa.